Schaefer and the band and the Blues Traveler. Boy, you know, it's interesting that one instrument added to the band sounds unbelievable. It makes a whole different sound.
Yeah,
great.
Especially a guy like John Popper. When you have a John Popper in the band.
Stop that. Now stop that. I'm going to come over there and slap you.
I'm sorry. I have just a case of the hiccups. I'm sure
now, do you think Dabney Coleman was actually steamed or not actually steamed?
No.
I get this. You know, that's the sign. He's such a good actor. You think to
Yeah.
yourself, is he really a jerk or is he just acting like a jerk?
Oh, you didn't ask me if I thought he was really a jerk or not.
Oh, no. I don't mean that. But there was a couple of seconds where I thought he was going to grab me by my tie and just pull my tongue out.
Great actor.
Yeah. Let's see. Chuck Woolery will be out here now. Now this will be good. We'll see how Chuck does after Dabney was here, and we'll see if we can tell whether he's mad at me or not.
Is there enough room in the chair for Chuck to put his leg underneath?
We can figure something out. On the program Monday, did I mention the big marathon on Sunday? We won't be on Sunday because, as a matter of fact, we're preempted by the marathon on Sunday.
Ah, too bad. We had a big show.
David Steinberg will be here on Monday, and from France, Gérard Depardieu.
Aha.
And a flower arranging demonstration. Yeah! We'll crush them with that. We'll bring the opposition to their knees. We'll rule the airwaves. That's Monday on the show. Now, don't do that again. For some reason, I'm a little
trying
jumpy.
to control it. I can't help. Try
Have
everything.
you done this? You hold your breath and just kind of rock your head back and
I
forth?
tried that before the show. It didn't work.
Did you drink a little water? Oh, stop it!
I drank water, and I held my ears and drank water. It didn't work.
Right. Did you thump yourself really hard on the
Yeah, I tried.
And nothing? Did you, like, Heimlich yourself?
Listen, nothing seems to work on this.
All right, but have you got him under control or not?
I thought I did.
Come here. Come here. I'm going to take care of this. Come here. You cover for him while he's gone. Come here. We're going to put an end to this because, frankly, it's kind of getting... Hello, nice to see you. It was a lovely service, wasn't it?
Scarborough, Glenn Berman does the sports, Al Roker does the weather, John Angelo also does the news. And there's one of the stars of Late Night, Paul Schaefer. News for New York is one of the most top...
I hope you're all right now.
And that's a friend.
Thank you very much.
That is really a
we
friend.
hope you enjoyed our little comedy skit once again. Now, here we go. We'll do a commercial and then Blues Traveler, and also Chuck Woolery will be here.